Pentair Flotec FP0F360AC is a powerful transfer pump that can move up to 350 gallons of water per hour. With all machines, frequent or extended use may cause pump parts to wear, decreasing the efficiency of the pump. If you should begin to notice degraded performance with the Pentair FP0F360AC, then we recommend you review the owner's manual. If you do not have the original owner's manual, a digital copy can be found at Pentair.com. In the troubleshooting section of the manual, you will find a chart with potential issues. Each issue includes a recommended corrective action. These range from replacing an impeller or O-rings to replacing the entire pump head. Once you have identified the corrective action, you can find the spare parts section of the manual to determine the parts required to restore your Pentair FP0F360AC. Pentair currently sells two kits, one that will replace the entire pump head and one that just replaces the impeller and O-rings. This video will focus on a complete pump head replacement, but the actions for replacing the impeller are included. The tools required to make this repair are the repair kit that you ordered from Pentair, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver or a pick tool. Start by unscrewing the two Phillips screws on the front of the pump plate. Once unscrewed, remove the faceplate from the pump. Next, use the pick tool or your fingers to remove the O-ring. With the O-ring removed, you can use the pick tool or flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the impeller. At this point, if you are only replacing the O-ring and impeller, your tasks will be completed. Feel free to fast forward this video to the 2-minute and 50-second mark for the reassembly steps. To replace the entire pump head assembly, you can grab the pump head and carefully slide it off the shaft. With the head removed, you can remove the silver pump chamber. Next, you will need to find and remove the water slinger, which should either be on the shaft of the pump or maybe in the body of the head you just removed. With the water slinger removed, you are now ready to install the new pump head unit. The new pump head unit will come fully assembled, as seen here, which makes reassembly very easy. For this video, however, we will replace each component individually for the most comprehensive video. The most important step is to always make sure that the water slinger is fully seated on the shaft. With the water slinger seated on the shaft, make sure that the pump chamber is seated in the pump head, and then slide the head and chamber onto the shaft. Now you can replace the impeller. To replace the impeller, simply slide the impeller over the pump shaft and into the pump chamber. You may have to bend the fins of the impeller a little, but if you continue to work it, the impeller will fit in snugly. With the impeller replaced, inspect the groove for the O-ring and make sure it is free of dirt or debris. Then insert the O-ring into the groove. Before replacing the faceplate, lubricate the impeller with a lubricant such as vegetable or mineral oil. Lubricating and priming the pump before each use will help extend the life of the pump. With all the elements replaced, put the cover back on and hand tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. This completes the steps required to service the Pentair FP0F360AC.